But yes, let's get into it. Let's get into this look, okay? Because period. Let's get into this look. Now I just want to let y'all know that I'm not what y'all see right here. Y'all not gonna see this next clip, okay? We gotta get there. It's baby steps. We gotta get to this. You feel me? You can't just come to this and just automatically gotta go from, you know, you gotta take baby steps. So, fair warning. But yes, okay, let's get into this look.
Turn it around, fuck it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, fuck it all the way up. Bust it down, turn around, look. Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button. Claiming he don't got a girl, you know niggas be frontin'. You don't need no bitch coming up to you as
a welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be attempting to do this top knot bun. I've never tried this before, so I'm kind of excited. And I just think it's really cute and simple and something quick and easy to do on your natural hair. So I was like, shoot, let me give it a try while I'm in the in-between state of me wearing a wig, wearing my natural hair. So let's get started. I'm really not gonna talk too much to this. I'm just gonna do, so y'all can just watch me. My hair was straightened, so it's still kind of straight, but it's really, really old, so it's time for something new. And I'm trying to figure out how I want my hair next when it comes as far as the wig and what I want to do. So I just been rocking my natural hair. It's the longest I've actually worn my natural hair in a long time, so I'm just gonna go in with my ink sour gel and just go all around my head just to start to get the ponytail together. And I'll probably end up taking this down tonight because I know it's probably not gonna last till tomorrow. Only because I don't want it to last. I could make it last, but I don't plan on it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to come back. And I'm gonna show everything while I'm doing it. It's gonna be fast forward. That's pretty much it. I don't like putting the gel on my edges because that's, I don't know, I feel like when I put it on my edges don't lay right. So yeah, so I'm just go ahead and braid this. I'm gonna put this on my tail, and y'all can just watch me as I do it. So y'all know I have to go do my makeup, you feel me? And then come back with this look. So yes, this is the finished look. And I'm gonna start doing more natural hairstyles. I don't know why I've been feeling my natural hair lately, so y'all plan on doing more styles and things like that, and showing you guys and just giving y'all, like, while I'm going through this and trying to figure out, you know, some cute styles to look cute when I'm in transitioning between, you know, wearing my real hair and wearing wigs, or just in between wigs. Yeah, I'm just going here and do some styles. And yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm gonna try to see if it can last till tomorrow, but I'm trying to film this video for YouTube. I'm trying to bring back my synthetic wig Sundays, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna go and actually look for a synthetic wig right now, and see if I can find one at the store, and if not, then I'll just try again. I'll just order online. But yeah, so yes, I love this. I love it. 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 And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
Turn it around, fuck it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, fuck it all the way up. Bust it down, turn around.